That gonna start? Alright, we can start right here. Fish this morning. It's about 2, 3 in the afternoon right now. We caught a bunch of fish. It's our first day, so we didn't film nothing. Just wanted to kind of enjoy it. We should get on some here. I'm expecting this guy to catch into some big ones because he usually don't catch the most, but God be known, he usually catches the biggest. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna give this a go, get these rods out and get going. Alright guys, let's show you what we've been using here. This little chubby Chernobyl. Jake's been using kind of the same thing. His is yellow, his is like yellow hopper though, so we've been slaying them on. So let's get you situated, sit back, relax, catch fish right here. Oh, there's one. That was a nice one. Easy as that, folks. Let's see. Yeah, let's see that bird fish. Yay. There you go. That's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, he's freaked. Oh! Oh! It came off. No! This little baddie right here. Oh, Jake's 4-wheeler broke down. We had to tow him back. Came through a couple lines right here by camp. I've got one, Jake's got one. Jakey boys fishing. What you think, Hoss dog, huh? What you think? That's a big one. That's a bigger one. That's bigger than the last one. That's a big one, dude. Big fish. Oh. Yeah, that's a big fish. I hope that was on camera, fellas. Oh, geez. That's a toad. That's a nice one, man.
That is big.
Hoss, leave. Get. This ain't no duck. Hoss. No. Hoss, no. Get. No, Hoss. Hoss. Oh, babies. That is a nice beauty.
That is huge. That's a big one.
That's the big toad.
Don't drop him.
Yeah. What do you think of that? Yeah. That was pretty good. Pretty good. Do this nice fillet job right here. with the assistance of my brother Hoss. Woo!
Yeah.
So we're gonna finish cleaning these up. With the fish out, we got some ribs going on the smoker as well. We're gonna eat good tonight.
That's really red meat.
We'll see you back at camp. So what he's gonna do is gonna fillet them here. We're gonna throw them on the skillet, get some nice salt, pepper, limes, all the other goodies.
We don't have limes.
Oh, I guess we're out of limes. Yeah, with some ribs. We're gonna be eating good. Where we're at, you can have 3 cutthroats a person with one over 12 and the other 2 have to be under. So we got a bunch of little ones under 12 and we've got 3 good sized ones, 14, 15, 16-inch ones to break our 12. So it's good. We did good today. That didn't work. Well, what do you think, Jacob boy?
It's good eats. It's better than barbecue pit boys.
There you go. Grandpa's eating. Pretty good night. So we'll get back at it tomorrow. Go for day 2. All right, gentle folks and ladies. Day 2. Day 2 of the trip. Jake, what's gonna happen today?
Catch all the fish.
All of them?
All of them.
How big are we going for?
At least an 18-inch.
At least 18. I mean, those are small dreams. I'm hoping for 30. Aim for the stars, you'll land on your face. What's up, Hoss? So, let's see how's your arm doing? Jake got all stung.
Yeah, I got attacked. It's all red.
I might have to chop his arm off when we get home. We'll see, but we're gonna run the wife's raw fly rod today. We're gonna get the Orvis out, give it a go, try and catch some fish. Let's get set up. Get some fish. What do you think, bud? Catch some fish? Did you get it?
Pick my fly again.
The big one?
Big one.
What are you doing that for? He's probably got 2 flies in its mouth. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna fish this seam. Hoss is gonna be chilling. It's gonna be good stuff. Let's get you guys set up here right now. I was running a hopper dropper, but now I've just switched over to just the dry because they're taking it so well. At least they have been. Might be a little early still. It's only 9:30. Seems about 10:30 they started to pick up real good yesterday through the middle of the day up until about 6. Right there, baby, should be an eat. I would think. Come on, man. Jakey boy's on to one. Looks like he's got a decent sized fish going on up there. Nice. First fish of the day. We're gonna hike down to this, give that a go. Okay, what side do you go? Let me go down below you then.
Oh, sun's gonna come up right there.
Go on. Okay, catch one. Where's your fly? Get it out a little more. Get it like in that. That'll be good. Here's a fish. Nice. It's a nice cutty. Yeah, it's a nice cutthroat.
See you, buddy.
There we go. Just a little dude. Yeah. Oh. Let's see. You getting some more size? Yeah. We've caught like 6 fish in 5 minutes. All little ones. Oh, awesome. Just play them. I'm coming. Bring it over here. Let's take a look-see here.
It ain't ginormous, but it's the biggest one I caught up here.
It's a brown.
A brownie?
Oh, I didn't see. Okay. Oh yeah, it's a nice one.
They're just going to net.
There you go, there's the brown. What do you have to say for yourself? How do you tell that that's a brown?
The way that it
The way
it
is.
The way it is.
The way it is. There you go. First brown of the trip, fellas. Probably caught 100 fish between all of us, and that's the first brown.
Yeah.
That's nice, man.
It's a pretty good one.
Old Hoss is giving it a go. Come on, buddy. You're floating away. There you goes. There you go. All right, guys. Well, went down to town, ate, hung out. Now we've been fishing this afternoon. I caught 6, 7 really good ones. They're the one hole. They're too wimped out. They're tired. So now it's just me and Hoss. Me and Hoss are on the case. Go catch a couple more.